Mastering the art of sketching. Understanding, rough out the shape. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both art and everyday conversation. Rough out the shape. If you've ever wondered what this means and how you can apply it to various contexts, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and explore the depth of this expression. Stay tuned. When we say, rough out the shape, we're talking about the initial stage of creating or forming something, where the details are not yet the focus. It's like sketching the basic outline of a drawing before adding all the intricate details and colors. This phrase can be applied to more than just art. It's also used in planning, writing, and any process where a preliminary outline or version is needed. It emphasizes starting with a broad, general outline and refining it later. To truly grasp the essence of rough out the shape, let's look at some practical examples. In art, an artist starts a painting by sketching a basic outline of the landscape, establishing where the mountains, river, and trees will go. This rough sketch serves as a guide for the detailed work to follow. In writing, a writer begins a novel by drafting a plot outline, laying out the main events and character arcs. This initial structure helps guide the detailed writing of chapters. In planning, when planning an event, the organizers first outline the major components like venue, date, and theme. The finer details, such as decorations and invitations, are worked out later. Understanding and applying the concept of roughing out the shape can significantly impact your creative process, planning, and problem-solving strategies. It encourages starting with a broad perspective and gradually refining your focus, which can lead to more organized and coherent results. It's a reminder that perfection from the get-go is not necessary. What matters is the process of evolution and refinement. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and applications of rough out the shape for you. Remember, whether you're starting a new art project, writing a story, or planning an event, beginning with a broad outline can set a strong foundation for success. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see how you apply this concept in your projects and everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos like this. See you in the next one!